Mr. President, your comments on the U.S. interference in elections in Pakistan and who will be the next PM and President of Pakistan.
Retain classified materials related to Afghanistan. Collection of events. There's even reference that I don't remember.
President Biden stated Imran Khan interference in Afghanistan, which cost U.S. loss of victory. Also, leaking of U.S. classified cipher is inexcusable. U.S. gave Pakistani general over $100 million last month to pay the judges to keep Imran Khan and his terrorists in jail. Stuffed the ballot boxes to re-elect Sharif's family. It's up to Sharif and Zardari to take the PM and President position or their sons and their daughter. US made the decision, it will be executed. US is looking into extraditing Khan to US to prosecute for leaking classified cipher document. General have the funding for the police and army to lock up all the insurgents with Khan and deport them to Afghanistan as Afghans. US will never let the nuclear bomb in the hands of some defiant nationalist leader and his radical supporters. Hamid Khan reporting from Washington for Markaz TV USA.